Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's discuss on how to withdraw Provident Fund amount, that is PF amount online. So I'll go over the online detailed procedure. So what are the different purpose you can withdraw the money? What are the different forms required to be filled? What is the basic requirements to withdraw the PF amount online, and the PF withdrawal tax details? Will I be taxed for the amount that I'm withdrawing? Everything we are going to see in detail. Come on guys, let's go into the video to see the details. You have to search for EPFO Portal when you launch Google. So you get a few options here. So first option is epfindia.gov.in is the authentic website here. Also for all this withdrawals, everything for your EPFO account, you need to go to Unified Portal member EPF. So there are two different portals. So I'll walk you through both of the portal here. So first I've selected the EPFO Employees Portal. This is the main website for employers provident fund organization, and you have a lot of options here when you log in. So this is the home page. So mainly I have wanted to show you the benefits that you have for the employee here. So click this. So there are a lot of services here. You can check the passbook. You have different online services for the member. So the main thing which we are going to see is like launching this link here, one employee one EPF account, that is the unified account here. So this is the services. Other important links that they have mentioned here is, so in case if you want to log any grievance against your EPF account, you can click this link, and it will take you to the grievance portal of EPF website, where you can log your grievance here. So that will be addressed accordingly. And this is other important links, missed call service. So if you want to know your balance, PF balance, you have to click on means you have to dial this number given here. So you'll get a SMS, the balance amount, like you dial to the bank's number, like default number. When you dial, you get the balance amount as a SMS to your linked mobile number. So here you can send it through SMS also. And this is one of the important, like know which claim form to submit. So there are a lot of different claim forms to withdraw the PF accumulated PF amount. So different scenarios where you withdraw the amount. So I'll click here. So it will take me to the forms here. So different forms. Before that, we can check on the members portal here. As I said, we need to have a universal account number, and that is a common account number like Aadhaar card, that is given for accessing all your PF accounts irrespective of different companies. So you might have shifted to different companies, you have changed your jobs. So every company has a different PF account number. So that will be mapped to your single universal account number. So with this number you can track everything. So that is simple. So let's see, like if you have you got a UN number, you can activate it here. So this is the activate. So once you click the activate part here, you go to this page. So sorry, you can go here. If you have a UN number, you can put it here, or if you say that I forgot it, you have the member ID, your organization has a different PF account details that you can enter. Based on that, if you enter some few of these details, you will get to know your UAN number, and you can activate it here. Or if you want to know your UAN number, you don't know, then you can enter your mobile number. If you have linked that, then you can enter your mobile number, and you can check your universal account number here. So this is the process for UN allotment here. So first they verify your mobile number, then other member details, then based on that you get a UN allotted for you. And let's see if, yeah, this is the one which we are going to see. So the claim, so I want to withdraw the amount, accumulated amount for over period of time. I have some immediate expenses, so I want some money. So how can I withdraw that? So there are a lot of options here. So if you are currently working with the establishment and you want to withdraw money, so there are different forms here. So I want to withdraw my advance PF amount here, or you want to pay your LLC policy through PF account. So there are different options here. You left the establishment and joined another company, you can do a transfer using form 13. You left the establishment and not joined, so for some reason you are not able to find a job and you are not going to continue with the job, then you can withdraw the entire amount here. So for that also there are different forms. And you left the job due to physical disability, you have the option to get a pension amount, or you can withdraw the entire pension amount to do some business also. Deceased, so the person who is the nominee will get the benefits here. They can do for the deceased, they get a final settlement of the accumulated amount. They get a monthly pension. They are eligible for a monthly pension, for which they need to submit the form 10D, and they have a lump sum amount. So one part of the amount is paid to the insurance. So insurance also, so insurance and the final settlement, you get a lump sum amount, and you are also eligible for the dependent is eligible for a monthly pension when you submit form 10D. So these are the major forms here. So let's go to see the complete workflow. I have few slides for you here. So as I said, there are different types of withdrawal forms and the purpose. So form 31 is the form which we are going to see now, because we need to withdraw the accumulated amounts. I have some purpose. You have to mention the purpose. So in case you are purchasing a new land or a flat, you can withdraw. You are renovating your house. You are going to close your loan, or you are running a organization. You are closing the organization, and you don't have any wages for more than 3 months. Then you can close any health requirement, children's educations, and equipment for if you are disabled and you want to purchase a new equipment, everything. So there are a lot of options you can select and withdraw it. So that for that you need to select form 31. So next form is, so here form 19 for final settlement. So in case you're left without a job after even 2 months, you lost a job, you are without a job for 2 months, then you can go for this form 19 and then say I need a final settlement. I need to withdraw the complete accumulated amount. Yes, you can do that. And this is form 10C. This is, as I said, there is a two types of amount that is getting accumulated in PF amount. One is your contributions, and another the amount is transferred to a pension fund. So if you are crossing 58 years, you are eligible for the pension. But you don't want to wait till 58 years. You want to you withdraw the accumulated PF account amount. You have to fill the 10C form here. So here is like some requirement for that. If you are not completed 10 years and you're less than 50 years, then this is the scheme, that is pension fund money back scheme. Through that you can apply. And if you are more than 9.5 years and less than 50 years, and you can claim if you want, you can claim the scheme certificate. So that scheme certificate tells that this guy is eligible for a pension, and after 58 years you can apply for the pension using this scheme certificate. So for all these forms which I said, we don't need employees attestation. So directly online we can go and apply. So make sure that you know the universal account number, and your KYC like bank details, Aadhaar, PAN, everything is updated in the site. So these are the occasional forms. As I said, this is pension claims in case of death. So your nominee can claim this pension. You can claim the PF nominee can also claim the entire PF amount. Form 13 is for the transfer. So what are the prerequisites? So I want to withdraw money. These are the basic requirements. So you need to have a valid UN number. So this can be found in payslip, or as I said, online also you can find it out. A bank account attached. So make sure that you have the current bank account details updated in the portal. All the KYC details are updated. PF number is current, and everything will be up to date. Your personal details are up to date, mobile number, everything. So this is the important part, EPF form 15G, where if you want to save tax, so there is a tax applied on your withdrawals. So if you are withdrawing the amount within 5 years, you will be taxed. So if it is less than 50,000, no tax; more than 50,000, TDS will be deducted at 10%. So if you want to avoid that, submit form 15G, and senior citizen has to submit 15H to get rid of this tax deducted at source. So this is about tax, and this is below eligibility of the pension. So if you are below 58 years, you can claim both, like pension amount and the accumulated amount, and if you are above 58 years, you are eligible for pension. So you get a final settlement, and beyond that a monthly pension is there. So benefits, if you see, like tax benefit, whatever PF you are contributing, employees contribution is covered under section 80C. So whatever you contribute is getting will not be taxed, and beyond that, employers contribution, which is deducted from your CTC, so that is also not taxable. So if you're you can opt up to 12% of your basic salary. So I think this is a very good option. Like every employee should opt for a 12% of basic salary towards employer's contribution. So that's a bigger amount that is getting deposited in a PF account. Then that will be very useful. This is not taxed, and for future any unavoidable circumstances, you want to have some corpus amount accumulated somewhere, so that will be useful for your future. So I suggest that opt for a 12% of basic salary every time when you go for a PF account. So don't go for a minimum. So there is a minimum amount option also. Minimum amount is 1800. It's the employee's contribution plus 1800 the company's contribution. So this is all about the PF withdrawal details. Let's go to the site. So I can log in and show you all the, I wanted to log in and show all the details here, like I can go log in, but don't want to share all these sensitive details. So I have captured everything as a screenshot. Everything is same. I have hidden some information here which I don't want to share online. So when you log in, you see a home page here. So you get all the details, your UN card details, account settings, everything. So be careful here. So see the member profile before you withdraw money. Make sure that all these details are correct. Whatever you have given, Aadhaar, PAN details, bank details, mobile number, email, everything should be up to date. In case it is not up to date, you have options to update here. So once this is verified, you have to see like how much balance you have. So for the balance checking, you have to go to select before withdrawing. You need to see like the passbook, how much amount you have, how much you can withdraw. So you can go to view here. View, you get the option in the drop down passbook. Click on that passbook. You are taken to the passbook account where you have the same username and password. Once you enter the password, you get into the passbook page here. You set you see the consolidated amount here. So your total employees balance, employers balance here, and total balance as on date. Whatever account you had like past 10 to 15 years, everything you can like select from the dot one. This is the latest one I have selected to show the. So the latest one show the total amount here. So total amount you can check, and based on that you can opt for withdrawal. As I said, the employer share is there, employee share is there. So this is the deposits, and one amount goes to pension contribution, which you cannot withdraw as part of that. So this I would suggest to keep checking at least 3 to 4 months once to make sure that the contribution which is deducted from your salary is deposited to the PF account. So once you have checked this, you can go to the online services here. Click on the online services and see you have to select online claim form. So this is like this shows like all the options 31, 19, 10C and 10D. So all this option can be done from your account login itself. So here once I click that, this page is open. So here again I see all my details here. So just to reconfirm, they have asked the employee to enter the bank account detail, because if the in any case the previous account details that is not correct, can be you have a chance to update it here. So once you verify, click on verify, enter. So there's a warning message asking the user to confirm that all the details are correct. Okay, you say yes, okay, everything is correct. You are asked to proceed with online claim form. When you click that, another page is displayed. Again all the details are here. you have to select the claim form here. So here I'll click the drop down and I'll select the form 31. So form 31 I have selected, and select service which account related. So you have to select the latest one here. The latest account I have selected here. And purpose they are asking. So purpose, as I said, there are a lot of purpose. So I have selected, I think I want to renovate my house. So for that I need money. So I enter the amount. I check the passbook. I know that how much I can withdraw, and based on that I have mentioned the amount. Your address details needs to be correct, and you have to enter your passbook image here. So like save your passbook, take an image. The image should be 10 minimum 10 KB, maximum 5 KB size, and you need to upload that. If you don't have a passbook, you can upload the cancel check here. This is for confirming, reconfirming your account details. So once you are done with all this, you select this agreement here and generate get Aadhaar. So since your account is linked with your Aadhaar card, your Aadhaar card has a number, mobile number. To that mobile number you get a OTP. That OTP needs to be entered here. That's it. So once your OTP is confirmed, your form is submitted. So here is the confirmation OTP has been verified. You can case we updated. PF advance claim form has been submitted successfully. So in case you want to check your form, you click here. So that is not required, but anyways you can check and take a copy of this and see that everything is correct. So once you are done, after some time, so maximum it takes 7 to 15 days to settle down. So the amount will be transferred to your account. You'll get the SMS. So in case it is delayed, you can check the status here. So this is the track claim status. Once you click, it says that tracking ID is displayed, form type is displayed, and when did you submit. So where is that? Every details you can see here. So this is it about all the PF withdrawal process, and additional details also I have shared. So guys, in case you have any doubts regarding PF account and PF withdrawal, you can post it in the comment section. I'll be happy to share all the inputs. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more useful videos. In case you want to have any specific videos, please put it in the comment. I'll create that video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see in a new video.